In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome. If you've cleared your browsing history and need to see what you were looking at, there are a few reliable places to check. We'll walk through 3 methods, starting with the simplest and moving to a more advanced option for Windows. First, use your Google account's My Activity. Open any browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the same one you used in Chrome. On this page, you may find your browsing activity even if you deleted it locally in Chrome. Scroll through the timeline, or use the search box and filters to narrow by date or by product. If you don't see anything, open your account's data privacy settings and check whether web app activity is enabled. When this setting is on, Google can save Chrome activity across devices, which makes future recovery easier. If it's off, past browsing may not appear here, but it's still useful to turn it on going forward if you're comfortable with that. Next, check another device that's synced with the same Google account. If you use Chrome on a phone, tablet, or another computer, open Chrome there and look at the browsing history. In Chrome's settings on that device, open Sync and confirm that sync is enabled, especially for history. Sometimes, the history remains available on one device even after it's been deleted on another, depending on when each device last synced. If you find what you need, you can open those pages directly or bookmark them to keep them handy. Finally, on Windows, you can try restoring from a system backup. Close Chrome completely, including any background processes. Then open File Explorer and navigate to C /users /your username /appdata /local /google /Chrome. Locate the user data folder, right-click it, and choose Restore Previous Versions. Pick a version from a date before you deleted your history. Click Restore, then reopen Chrome to see if your history has returned. Keep in mind, this depends on having system protection, file history, or another backup method enabled in the past, and restoring an older profile may overwrite recent changes to bookmarks, settings, or extensions, so proceed carefully.